Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the multifunction camping lights, XTELED plus SMD, not sure what that means, warm light plus RGB light string. And this is made by TREKOLOGY, which is a company that we're used to. We know they are very good in comfort when it comes to outdoors camping. So yeah, let's see what's on the back actually. Camping, USB-C for charging, I guess, real string, magnet, waterproof, power bank, can be used as a power bank, multiple lights, ambient light. So let's have a look, see how big it is, and see what else we get in the box. So you get the USB-A to USB-C for charging. You get a little user manual, where we could probably see maybe the capacity of the battery. They usually say in here 2000 milliamp, a polymer battery, yeah, and it's a 210 grams, that's the weight. Charging time about 5 hours, and the brightness will be up to 250 lumens. The lamp beds are 10 meters yellow light, and then it's IP44, and you have a battery indicator in here which will show you how much battery you have. Very little instructions, so let's get into it. The really sturdy, it looks like this. That's the magnet, and there's an extra light in there, and this can also be attached on your tent thanks to this. That's also how you operate to take back the string. There's a power button, a USB port in there, USB-C port. That's the battery percentage, or whatever you want to say. So first of all, that's the string. So you see when it comes up, it rotates like that. I'm gonna just remove just a little bit of it, just so you'll get an idea. And then if you press the button, you get the first time you get the string, yeah, and you also see the battery, how much battery you have left. So let's see if we press again. That's like a Christmassy kind of feel, and it has this little LED that can do, actually it's 2 LEDs in there, and it can do different lights. Not sure how well can you see. Let's see if we, obviously when you press now it's gonna turn off, but if you press immediate, it goes through different circles. Like this is slow. Really like this when you're in a calm mood, and back to this, and then off. So then if you press again, actually no, yeah, so if you press again, that's the light, and it has 2 modes. Which is medium and bright. If you double press on this button, you activate this backlight, I think, or triple press, or press and hold. Yeah, press and hold. That's like a lantern, like a flashlight. It has a point, a dot, you see. You press again, it's a bit lower, flashing, and then off, and back in this. I wish there was a way of getting faster into this mode, but I guess you just have to be patient. I've tried to double press it, but it still goes through the modes. Still really nice. So imagine you put this on top of your tent, and it gives you a nice light all over inside the tent. And now if you wanna take it back, you just rotate this, and it gets nicely back in place. Then you push this in like so. This also has a hook, so you can hook it up to where you want. This leg could be also used like this if you want to have it tilted. And there's also the magnet, which will allow you to attach it to different objects. As you can see, you press once and it shuts down. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A really good camping tool. 210 grams, is light as well. And yeah, we'll see how long the battery lasts. And yeah, but otherwise it's very useful. It's even useful in your garage. You just have magnets, so you can put it on top of your on any part of your car when you're working on it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.